Welcome, fans. In this video, I'll be talking about an introduction to HTML, and also I'm going to be talking a brief history and evolution of HTML. So, what is HTML? HTML, as its acronym states, it is Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language to create and design web pages and applications. As we all know, the internet came from scientific uh, technology and it turned and it became a public uh, system for any user, any citizen in the US or the world. So what does it provide to us? It provides the fundamental structure of a web page by using a system of tags and attributes to define elements such as text, images, videos, multimedia, links to other from one web page to another. So HTML works in conjunction with cascading style sheets. CSS is another language or another set of codes for styling. And also JavaScript is also used with CSS and HTML for interactivity, making it a cornerstone in technology for web development. So now let's talk about a little brief history about and the evolution of HTML. So hypertext markup language has undergone significant evolution since its inception. It was first developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 and has since grown to become the backbone of the World Wide Web. Any pages like Amazon or Walmart or any news web page or any television news network uses web pages to public their findings and ideas, or schools enrolling students or any public organization trying to advertise or recruit people for the better of the world. So let me give you some of the historical milestones and developments that HTML has gone through throughout the years. From 1991 to 1994, HTML version 1.0 had at least 18 tags, simple set of 18 tags. For example, like the tags used, these are the codes, like the coding tags for HTML that produces what we see on the screen for the web pages. So the primary focus was linking that was the linking of documents and providing the basic structure for web pages. Now version 2.0, HTML 2.0 in 1995 was the first standardized version for HTML, and it added features like forms and tables. So HTML was a big breakthrough because it laid the groundwork for more interactive and complex web applications. Now in 1997, version 3 HTML 3.2 introduced the World Wide Web Consortium CCC 3W3C. HTML 3.2 included new elements like applets and improves support for complex tables. So applets are like little applications that we see that now we see it in like apps on our phones, things like that. But those are applets. Those are applications for the web, for the for the public web. Now in 1999, version 4.01 was the focus on in improving accessibility, internationalization, and styling through the integration of CSS, cascading cascading sheets. It introduced concepts like ID and class attributes for better element targeting. Now, in 2000, the version X HTML 1.0 was introduced, and it was a stricter version of HTML, combining HTML 4.01 from 1999 with XML rules. The primary goal was to ensure that web pages were well formed and could be parsed consistently for different browsers like Mozilla Firefox, like Internet Explorer. Now, in 2014, version HTML5 marked a significant overhaul, introducing semantic elements, graphics, and multimedia support, and enhanced form controls. It also aimed to reduce the need for external plugins by supporting audio, video, and interactive graphics natively. So up to this point, we've seen the evolution, the different attributes and new capabilities throughout each version of HTML, and the introduction of CSS and XML, and for the better uh, for the better presentation of web pages on different browsers. So I hope you like my video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you. I'm gonna try to do more videos to learn more about HTML and present it to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.